Just stay here, leg up, let relax. Let blood circulation go down. Stay there, okay? You can hold your leg, that's good, okay? Okay, good. Okay, so today we will work on our foot a little bit more, okay? So watch me here, okay? Very simple at the beginning. You just kneel down like that, okay? So both knee over together like this, okay? Very easy. You just sit on your foot, okay? Sit on your foot, and then you lean back, okay? Just stay here, lean back. Your knee a little up, not up that much. You feel the stretch on your instep, okay? So stay like that, okay? So I will count 10, count 20. Okay, your knee, look at my knee. Do you see my knee go up a little? Yeah? And let the knee go up a little. Give more pressure on your instep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Forwards. Okay, stay there for a moment, relax. Hold the move. Okay? I hope you feel the foot stretched, okay? The instep. Relax. Okay, we will do one last time. Come on, stand up. And then go back. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, go back. 8, stay. 1, 2, yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax, relax. Go forward, stretch a little. And then we will use your hand. We will stretch your foot, okay? So you put your leg on here already, okay? Okay, so keep your foot, stay here. And then you need a point, more point, okay? And then you use your hand and push your toes down, okay? Look, my foot become too open. Okay, so you need to point your toes, okay? So stay here, push down, don't move, okay? Yes, that's right, that's right. And then this knee cannot go up, cannot. Keep this knee down, push down your toes, and then we will stay there 20 counts. I'm counting for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so circle your foot. Give your foot circle, relax. Yes, relax. Okay, so and then from this side you can see me, okay? So look at your foot need point, okay? I go this way, you can see me. So foot you cannot just stay like this and then push it down. Now you need to pull fully point. Point, and then you pull down. I need this arch as well, okay? The arch I need too. Okay, so let's do one more time, same foot, okay? Same foot one more time. Yes, we need a beautiful turn out instep, okay? So ready? So hold your toes to you, see right now I point. And then how about this? Hold to you, point, okay? And then use this hand, push down. Okay, that will help you. Okay, so hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. We do other side. Okay? Other side, same thing. Use this hand. Hold your toes. Pull to you. Okay? Make sure stretched. Okay? So use hand, pull this way. this way, okay? Pull. And then use this hand and then push down your toes. Okay? Make a nice turn out. Very good, Vanessa. Okay. Okay, push down. Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax a little. Circle. You have to do one more time, okay? One more time, we'll finish this. This is more safe, okay? Other way you do is not safe. This way more safe, it won't hurt you. So, and then you just give a little push, okay? So, one more time, everybody. This hand pull back. This hand pull down. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, girls. Okay, so get your rubber band. Let's continue work on your toes, okay? We work on the instep. Right now, we work on the toes. Do you have it? Yes, good. Bum, 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 bum. If you don't have it, you can use towel, okay? Use your towel, it's okay too. Yes. Okay, listen girls, we do this, okay? So use the rubber band, wrap your toes, okay? And then you pull, and then we go toes only. Look at me here, okay? Without this, you can see my foot. Look, I already point my foot. So right now, we only work on the toes. Look at me. You just do like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This part needs to stretch. Don't let it relax. You don't need to fully flex. No. Just your toes. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Right? Ready? Let's do it 20 times. Make a very strong toes. Okay? Okay, ready? 5. Let's give you music. Relax. Okay, ready? 6, 7, 8. Go. Point. And flex. Point. Feel your toes. Very sharp toes. Only toes. Only toes. Yes. Continue. Good. Continue. Yes. Go up.